Hello student, how are you? Today I will discuss on reasoning topics statement conclusion. Let us start. Topic statement conclusion. I have noticed that students feel a lot of problems to solve this type of questions. I will give you some tricks which will be handy to concept your boost. Now let us start from statement 1 type. Suppose all A are B. What is the Venn diagram of it? Statement given all A are B. Suppose this is A and it is B. It is type 1. Type 1. All A are B. This is A, this circle denoting A. This is also B. So all A are B. Next, this is A, this is B. Two concentric circle, inner circle A, event A, outer circle represent event B. This is also all A or B. Now, first type 1, one circle, both indicating A and B. Two concentric circle, outer circle B, inner circle event A, type B. So, this is Venn diagram of all A or B. Now, from this we can conclusion. What can we conclude? Number 1, sum A or B, sum A or B, whether it is correct or wrong. From both figure we can conclude that sum A or B definitely correct. From it, sum A or B, this is A, this is also B. So sum A or B correct from this figure. Also from this sum A or B correct. So we can say sum A or B correct when all A or B given in the statement. Number 2, sum B or A. Sum B or A, whether it is correct or wrong. Sum B or A. This is B, this is also A. So from this figure we can say that sum B or A definitely correct. Again, sum B, it is B, it is in the region of B, it is also in the region of A. So sum B or A correct from this figure also. Number 3, sum B may be A. Whether it is correct or wrong. We have sum B or A definitely correct. Which is definitely correct, that cannot be, can be A or can may be A. So sum B may be A means B may be A or not. So it is not definitely correct, but we know sum B or A definitely correct. So sum B may be A, it is not correct. Which one is definitely correct? We cannot put may before it. So it is wrong. Sum B may be A. Why it is wrong? Sum B or A, it is definitely correct, 100% correct. So which is 100% correct, we cannot put may be, can be before it. That is why it is wrong. Number 4, all B are A. All B are A. Whether it is correct or wrong. From this figure, all B are A, we can conclude all B are A. But from this figure, this is in the region of B, but this is in the outside of A. So all B are not A from this figure. This figure only suggests that all B are A. If from all the given figure we can conclude all B are A, then it will be correct. But this figure, only this figure suggests that all B are A. But this figure tells us that all B are not A, but all A are B. That is why all B are A not correct. Given conclusion will be correct if from all the possible Venn diagram we can conclude that all B are A, but from this figure we cannot conclude all B are A. That is why it is not correct. So when statement all A are B given, we can conclude some A are B, it is definitely correct. Some B are A, it is also definitely correct. But maybe, can be, it will not be correct. Which one is definitely correct, we cannot put before it may be or can be. Mind it. Now number 4, all B, this figure suggesting that all A are B but not all B are A. Why? This is in the region of B but this is outside in the region of A. That is why all B are A, not correct. Now type 2, this is type 1. Type 1. Now type 2. Type 2. Some A R B. What is possible Venn diagram? Some A R B. Suppose this is A, this is B. Some A R B. Again, if we draw two concentric circle, outer A, inner B. So some A R B. So some A or B possible Venn diagram like this or like this. This is A, outer circle represent A, event A, and inner circle representing event B. So some A or B. Now conclusion. What can we conclude from the given statement? Suppose number 1 given, some B are A. Whether it is correct or wrong, can we say when some A or B given, definitely some B or A will be correct or not? From this figure, from this Venn diagram, some B are A. This is B, this is in the region of B as well as in the region of A. So we can definitely say that some B are A correct. But from this figure, this is in the region of B, it is also in the region of A. So some B are A correct from both the given Venn diagram. So we can conclude some B are A. When some A or B given in the statement, then some B or A will also be definitely true. From all the possible Venn diagram, we have to make correct decision some B or A from all the possible Venn diagram. If one suggests that some B or A correct, but other Venn diagram does not give some B or A correct option, then we can conclude that some B or A true. Next, some B are not A. Some B are not A. Whether it is correct or wrong, is it true? Some B are not A. Now from this Venn diagram, this is B, but this is in the outside region of A. So some B are not A correct from this Venn diagram, but from this Venn diagram all B are A. So all B are A, its contradictory statement is some B are not A. So if all B are A, then some B are not A cannot be correct. All B are A, so some B are not A will be definitely false. So some B are not A, it is wrong. Why? From this figure only we can say that some B are not A, this reason. But from this figure all B are A. When all B are A, its contradictory statement some B are not A. All B are A and some B are not A, these two are contradictory statement. So if all B are A be true, then some B are not A cannot be true. So this is wrong. Number 3, all B are A. Whether it is correct or wrong, this will be correct if all the given Venn diagram support it. Mind it, if all B are correct will be definitely true if all the possible Venn diagram support this statement. But all B are A, we can say all B are correct from this Venn diagram. But from this Venn diagram, these are in the region of B, but this is outside region of A. So all B are not A. So all B are A falls from this Venn diagram. But from this Venn diagram, we can say that all B are A. This is in the region of B, but this is in the outside region of A. So all B are A is not true by this Venn diagram. Only this Venn diagram support this statement. So it is not correct. Number 4, some A are not B. Some A are not B. Some A are not B. It is given some A are B and some A are not B. If we draw this Venn diagram, this is A, this is B. Whether we can draw it, it is given some A are B. Can we draw it? Some A are B. Some A are B. This is some A are B. Some A are B. This is all A are B. But given some A are B. So some A are not B. Some A are not. We can't draw it because it is given some A are B. So if we conclude this, some A are not B. Some A are not B. From this statement, all A are B. Some A are B. It is also possible Venn diagram. Some A are B. From this Venn diagram, we can conclude that some A are not B. False. This Venn diagram does not support it. So some A are not B also incorrect. So only we can say when some A are B, some B are A, definitely true. This is some A are B. This is also some A are B. This is also some A are B. Now from this Venn diagram, we can say that some A are not B, false. So it cannot be true. So only one conclusion we can draw, and that is when some A are B, definitely some B are A. Now suppose it is given number 5, all A will be B, there is a possibility. All A will be B, there is a possibility. It is given all A will be B, there is a possibility. When it is given that there is a possibility that all A will be B, that means only one Venn diagram. If only one Venn diagram supported, then this statement will be true. Now all A are B, from this Venn diagram we can say that all A are B. This is one of the possible Venn diagram. So all A will be B, there is a possibility. When it is given that, follow the language possibility or at least. When this type of word is given, possibility or at least, then only one Venn diagram, if only one Venn diagram support it, then we can conclude that all A will be B is true. So this is true as this is supported by this Venn diagram. Next, type 3. Type 3. Some A are not B. Some A are not B. Some A are not B. This region. Again, some A. This is A. This is B. Some A are not B. This is. We can draw this Venn diagram also. This as well as this. Again, some A are not B, means this is A, this is B. That means no A is B. It is also correct. So some A are not B, possible Venn diagram. You can draw this Venn diagram as well as this or this. All the three, we can draw all the three Venn diagrams from the given statement. Now what conclusion can we draw? Conclusion can we draw? Number 1 conclusion. Suppose it is given some B are not A. Number 1 conclusion, some B are not A. whether it is correct or wrong. Sum B are not A, whether it is correct or incorrect. Now sum B are not A. From this Venn diagram, this is B, but this is not A. So from this Venn diagram, we can say that sum B are not A. But from this Venn diagram, all B are A. So its contradictory statement is correct. Sum contradictory of sum B are not A will be all B are A. If its contradictory statement be correct, then given statement will be wrong. When at least or possibility is not given, then this will be true if all the possible Venn diagrams support it. Otherwise, we cannot say that it is true. Sum B are not A will be true if all the possible Venn diagrams support it. But this Venn diagram does not support this. So, it will not be true. Next, sum A are not B. Sum A are not B. Sum A are not B. From this Venn diagram, sum A are not B. From this Venn diagram, sum A are not B. From this Venn diagram, sum A are not B. It is from the given statement. It is always true. It is given in the statement. Number 3, no A is B. Number 4, sum A are B. From this Venn diagram, we can say that no A is B, but no A is B. But from this Venn diagram, sum A are B. From this Venn diagram, also sum A are B. So all the possible Venn diagram do not support the given statement. So it is wrong. Now sum A are B. Sum A are B. From this statement, we can say sum A are B true. From this Venn diagram, we can conclude that sum A are B definitely true, but this Venn diagram does not support this statement, so it is wrong. 1. Given statement will be correct if all the possible Venn diagrams support it, but this Venn diagram does not support it, so it will not be true. So sum A are not B means sum B are not A, it is false. No A is B, it is also false. So sum A are B, it is also incorrect. Suppose number 5 given, all B will be, so number 5, all B will be A, there is a possibility, whether it will be correct or wrong. All B will be A, there is a possibility. If possibility or at least this type of word, if we get possibility or at least this type of word, then only one figure, one Venn diagram, if only one Venn diagram support it, then it will be true. Now this Venn diagram support this statement, all B are A. We are given sum A are not B. Sum A are not B, so it is Venn diagram of one of the Venn diagrams of it. It is one of the Venn diagram of the given diagram. So this diagram support all B will be A. There is a possibility, so it will be correct. But all B will be A will be correct if all the possible Venn diagrams support it. But this type of word, we are getting this type of word, possibility. Possibility means only one Venn diagram. If only one Venn diagram support it, then it will be true. This Venn diagram supporting it, so it will be true. Type 4. No A, given statement, no A is B. This is A, this is B. So no A is B. Conclusion, number 1 conclusion, no B is A. All A are B. So no B is A, correct. So only this will be correct. No B is A. Now let us try some examples. First one, statement 1. Statement 1. All big are small. All big are small. Number 2. Some small are tall. Number 3. No tall is white. No tall is white. Conclusion number 1. Some big are white. Some big are white. Some big are white. Conclusion 2. Some big are not white. Some big are not white. Conclusion 3. Some small are not white. Some small are not white. Try yourself. First, what will be possible Venn diagram? Now, whenever conclusion is of the type some big are not white, some small are not white. Some big are not white. While what will be its contradictory statement? When you face some are not type, then first draw its Venn diagram. What will be its contradictory statement? Some big are not white. Its contradictory statement will be all big are white. If we can prove that all big are white true, then definitely this will be false. We are going to prove whether all big, its contradictory statement, all big are white, true or not. Let us try. We are drawing Venn diagram of its contradictory statement. All big are white. Suppose this is big, and this is white. All big are white. This is big, this is white. All big are white. Now let us try to draw the given statement. All big are small. All big are small. This is big. All big are small. Suppose this is small. All big are small. This is small. All big are small. Now some small are tall. Some small are tall. No tall is white. Some small are tall. This is tall. No tall is white. There is no intersection between white, between this circle and this circle. So no tall is white. So we have been able to draw Venn diagram of the given statement, assuming its contradictory statement true. We have assumed that all big are white, and we have been able to draw this Venn diagram. So its contradictory statement is correct, so it will be wrong. Next, some small are not white. Its contradictory statement, all small are white. All small are white. Suppose draw two concentric circle. We have assumed all small are white. So this is small, this is white. Now again, all big are small. All big are small. So this will be big. All big are small. Next, some small are tall. This is small. Some small are tall. Suppose this is tall. So some small are tall. But it is given no tall is white. No tall is white. So we can't represent this event by this Venn diagram. By assuming its contradictory statement, all small are white correct, we have failed to represent these three events in a single Venn diagram. So its contradictory statement, that means all small are white, is incorrect. If this be incorrect, its contradictory statement be incorrect, then it will be definitely true. So some small are not white, definitely true. Now some big are white, whether it will be true or false. Some big are white. Let us draw Venn diagram. All big are small. All big are small. This is big. This is small. Some small are tall. Some small are tall. Some small are tall. It is also true. Some small are tall. It is also correct. Some small are tall. We can intersect tall with B or can't intersect. We can intersect tall with B or can't intersect tall with B. Now no tall is white. No tall is white. Suppose this is white. We can put white here also. There will be no intersection between white and tall. No tall given, no tall is white. This is also white. Now some big are white. You have to judge whether this statement is correct or false from this type of possible Venn diagrams. There are so possibilities. From these possibilities you have to judge some big are white. If any possibility deny it, then this will be false. Some big are white. Some big are white. This is big and this is white. From this, no big, it is white, it is big, no white is big or no big is white. From this, no big is white, only this support that some big are white. But all the possible Venn diagrams should support the given statement. This and this does not support, this and this does not support it, so it will not be true. Suppose it is given some big are white is a possibility. There is a possibility that some big are white, then it can be true. Otherwise it cannot be true. This will be true if all possible Venn diagrams support it, but only this support it. But this is big, this is white, this two does not support the given statement, so it cannot be true. Let us try another one. Given all roofs are homes. Statement 1. All roofs are homes. Number 2. Some homes are rooms. Some homes are rooms. Some homes are rooms. Number 3 statement. Number 3. No room is a house. No room is a house. First one, all roofs are homes. Second one, some homes are rooms. Third one, no room is a house. Conclusion number 1. Conclusion number 1, some homes are roofs. Some homes are roofs. Conclusion number 2, at least some houses are not homes. At least some houses are not homes. At least some houses are not homes. Number 3, some houses are rooms. Some houses are rooms. We have 3 statements and 3 conclusions. Number 1 conclusion, some homes are roofs. Some homes are roofs. Number 2, at least some houses are not homes. Number 3, some houses are rooms. Whenever we face some not, then try to judge it fast. How will you make a decision from it? What will be your probable decision? What is its contradictory statement? some not contradictory statement. All houses are homes. It's contradictory statement, contradictory up to all houses are homes. Assume for a moment it is true and try to represent given statement by a single Venn diagram. If you get a success, then this statement will be true. So its contradictory statement, that means conclusion 2, will be false. Let us try. We have assumed all houses are homes. For a moment we have assumed all houses are homes, correct. All houses, this is house, all houses are homes. All houses are homes. Now, all roofs are homes. All roofs are homes. Suppose this is roof. We can place roof here also, outside home. It is roof. And anyone can draw roof, can represent roof by outer circle also. Next, some homes are rooms. No room is a house. No room is a house. Some homes are rooms. Some homes are rooms. Some homes are rooms. This is rooms. Some homes are rooms. This is also room. Some homes are rooms. And it is given no room is a house. There will be no intersection between room and house. No intersection, no intersection. So this is correct. It is also correct. Both correct. Now we have been able to represent these three by a single Venn diagram, assuming its contradictory statement true. So it is true. If this be true, then it's contradictory. At least some houses are not homes. Definitely incorrect. So it is false. Now judge these two. Some homes are roofs. Some houses are rooms. Now again try to represent these three by Venn diagram. All roofs are homes. All roofs are homes. All roofs are homes. This is roof, this is home. All roofs are homes. Some homes are rooms. Some homes are room. No room is a house. Some homes are rooms. No room is a house. Some homes are rooms. Some homes are rooms. This is room. Some homes are rooms. This is also correct. Some homes are rooms. Some homes are rooms. Given no room is a house. No room is a house. So there will be no intersection between room and house. We can place room inside home. We can place, no room is a house. We can place house inside home. This is a house. It is also correct. House. It is house. It is also house. Now, some homes are roofs. Will be correct or not? Some homes are roof. Some homes are roofs. This is roofs. This is homes. This is homes and this is roof. All roofs are homes. All roofs are homes. So some roofs are homes or some homes are roofs. It is definitely correct. From our type 1 discussion, when it is given all roofs are homes, we can conclude some roofs are homes or some homes are roofs. This is home, this is roof. So some homes are roofs. For all possible Venn diagram, it is true that some homes are roofs. Why? This is roof, this is home. So some homes are roofs. Whether we place house here or here, this is house, this is house. It is correct for all possible diagram. For when room is here or room is here, it is also correct that some homes are roofs. From this is roof, this is home. So some homes are roofs. is correct. Next, some houses are rooms. This is house, this is room. Some houses are rooms. Whether some houses or rooms are correct or not correct. Some houses are rooms. This suggests that some houses are rooms. Some houses are rooms. This is room. This is house. There is no intersection between house and room. There is no intersection between house and room. So, some houses are rooms, not correct. Only conclusion 1 correct. Why some houses are rooms not correct? This is house, this is room. This is house, this is room. There is no relation between house and room. So this is not correct. If we can say from only one diagram that there is no relation between house and room, then it will be true that some houses are rooms some houses are rooms. It will not be true. For this and this Venn diagram suggesting that there is no relation. This and this also there is no relation between house and room. So some houses are rooms, not correct. Now let us try another one. Let us try another one. Suppose it is given statement 1, all A are B. Statement 2, no some B are C. Number 3, no C is D. All A are B. Number 2, some B are C, no C is D. Conclusion 1, some B are not D. Conclusion 2, some D are not B. Conclusion 3, some A are C. First, some B are not D. Check it. Try whether it is correct or wrong. Some B are not D. What will be its contradictory statement? All B are D. Some B are not D means all B are D. Its contradictory statement, all B are D. So, draw two concentric circle. This is B, this is D. With the help of this, try to draw Venn diagram for these three given statement. All A are B. All A are B. This is A. All A are B. Some B are C. Some B are C. Some B are C. Suppose some B are C. But it is given no C is D. But there is some C are D. So we can't represent it by this Venn diagram. So our contradictory statement of it, that is all B are D, not true. So all B are D, not true. So some B are not D, definitely true. If its contradictory statement is not true, then it must be true. So some B are not D, true. Next, some D are not B. What will be its contradictory statement? All D are B. Its contradictory statement, all D are B. Now draw its Venn diagram. This is D, this is B. All D are B. Now given all A are B, all A are B, all A are B. Suppose this is A, all A are B. Given all A are B, sorry, all A are B. So A should be placed inside B. All A are B. Now some B are C. Some B are C. Suppose this is some B are C. Now no C is D. No C is D. There is no, we can place C like this also. There is no intersection between C and D. So no C is D, also correct. So we have been able to represent all D are B, assuming all D are B true. So all B are D, all B are D true. So some D are not B will be false. Next, some A are C. So what is the method to judge some not cases? Some not cases. First, take its contradictory statement. Its contradictory statement, all D are B. Draw a Venn diagram. This is D, this is B. Then try to represent these three given statement by this Venn diagram. If we get a success, then its contradictory statement will be true. So this will be definitely false. So some D are not be false. Now some A are C. Whether it will be correct or not. Now all A are B. This is A. This is B. All A are B. Some B are C. This is C. This is also C. Some B are C. No C is D. No, there will be no intersection between C and D. You can place D here also. No C is D. This is D, this is C. There is no intersection between D and C. Now some A are C. Some A are C. There is no relation between A and C. So this Venn diagram does not support this statement. So it is not true. But suppose it is not true. But suppose it is given some A are C, there is a possibility that some A will be C. There is a possibility that some A will be C. Then it is definitely correct. Why? This figure suggests that some A are C. So if it is given that some A will be C, there is a possibility. Then only one Venn diagram, if only one Venn diagram support it, then that case will be true. But some A are C given, all the possible Venn diagrams should support it. This Venn diagram, these two Venn diagram does not support it, so it will be false. Thank you for being with me. See you soon with the next video. Till then, goodbye.